And ayun, parang iconic moment din kasi yung paalam muna sandali tas si AC. Si AC yung unang naging meme sa eviction, silang dalawa ni Ashley. So, yeah, it's something we all didn't expect to happen when she went into the house, pero that's what it is.
Pero how do you support her na parang paglabas niya ng PBB house, parang medyo nakasama daw because parang bumaba yung kanyang mga followers, ganyan, because of what happened inside, parang ganyan. How do you support her din sa ganung bagay? As a friend.
Parang yun nga, sabi namin, so many people hit rock bottom. And when you hit rock bottom, there's no other way than to go up. And that's why we're just letting her do her thing. Sinusuporta namin siya. We try and do our best to be there for her all the time. And we just keep telling her to, take things slowly. Just do what you can with your talent. Kasi she's such a talented girl. And we all believe in her talent as well. Tsaka, I feel like day by day, she's redeeming herself din naman.
Then, would you be willing to be a housemate?
Alam niyo po, ilang beses na rin akong tinanong po talaga eh. Pero parang okay na po ako sa outside world.
Na-offer ko mag-audition? Na-offer ko before?
This is the third time na tinanong ako from Star Magic. Pero okay na po ako sa outside world. Parang okay na yun. Tsaka naman po, na-experience ko nang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya as a guest judge and also as a guest performer. Pero siguro kung house guest, kung matutulog doon for a night or 2 nights, why not? Yeah,
Bakit
para
Darren?
ma-experience.
Ba't ayaw mo?
Wala, parang ayokong ma-experience yung wala kang yung social media, wala kang ibang magawa sa bahay, kayo nung nag-uusap. Feeling ko okay naman ako maggawa ng mga house chores, ganun, pero mas feeling ko taong labas po talaga.
Hindi ka piliin ni AC kasi makakasama mo siya, yung friend mo, di ba?
Hindi naman, opo. At kasi naka-NDA din sila, so nabigla kaming lahat na papasok ka pala. So ayun, opo.